Of all subjects in art, none is more enduring, more mysterious, or more elusive than the human face. It is a mirror, reflecting not only likeness, but the very soul of an age. The Mona Lisa is the most famous face in art, yet also the most obscured. Shielded by glass, reproduced 1,000,000 times, wrapped in centuries of commentary, its power lies precisely in its ambiguity. Leonardo melted the contour, letting light and shadow break across the skin. He painted not a Florentine merchant's wife, but a living organism fused with water, rock, and time. That famous lopsided smile is a visual riddle, and the illusion of life itself. Long before Leonardo, humanity was already trying to preserve the face. From Jericho skulls, rebuilt in clay and cowrie shells, to the fertile brown of the Greek orator Demosthenes, portraiture was born from the fear of forgetting. It is the shadow traced on the wall before a lover departs. With the Renaissance, portraiture split into two languages. Rubens gave us the intimate friend, warm, glowing, alive. David gave us the emperor, emblems of power, order, and authority. And caricature, from the other side, punctured both with laughter. The self-portrait promises honesty, but often delivers vanity. Dürer showed his own flabby, naked body as a vision of spiritual night. Rembrandt painted himself nearly 100 times, from swaggering youth to the final dance of old age. Van Gogh's self-portraits look like police mugshots, each brushstroke a desperate interrogation of his own sanity. Cézanne treated his own skull as a geological problem, foreshadowing cubism. Kokoschka's violent brushwork, accused and distorted. And Chakros, in his giant photorealist grid, captured every pore, yet revealed the camera's failure to capture presence. The face, in the end, resists all certainty.